I'm gonna teach you why waxing in the winter hurts more and what to do about it. Stay tuned because I'll also be sharing my exact Nordic skin prep routine that I use to make sure that my wax goes smooth and painless. And no, that is not a late night skincare routine. I'm talking about the morning before the wax. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I'm a board-certified dermatologist, and today we are going to talk about how to prepare your skin for the best wax ever. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I am a board-certified dermatologist. I'm a board-certified dermatologist and welcome to my channel. Let's get right into it. So, wax on. Why does winter waxing hurt more? In the wintertime, the top layer of your skin is much drier because the humidity is lower, and so your skin is literally more dry and dehydrated. The skin barrier is very important. It acts as a protective function. And if the skin barrier is compromised, then those open pores can become entry points for bacteria, and that can cause infection. Also, when you wax, you want to make sure that the hair follicle is not ripped out prematurely. You want to make sure that the hair follicle is fully attached to the root, because otherwise that can cause ingrown hairs. So that is why it is really important to have a good prep routine. So let's go through my exact routine. No. One is deep hydration. And this is 24 hours before the wax. This is my favorite moisturizer. This is from CeraVe. This is their healing ointment. So I usually would apply this after my shower. But in the days leading up to my wax, I'll actually apply this twice a day. So once in the morning, once at night to just make sure that my skin is super hydrated. So step 2 is one day before the wax. You want to exfoliate. So I like to use a gentle exfoliator with glycolic acid. There are many different options out there, but this is one that I've been using lately. Just to show you, this is what it looks like. It's in a tube. And you put a little bit on your finger and you just dab it onto your skin. And I'm only doing this once a week. If you wax more often than once a week, then you may want to increase your frequency of exfoliation. So moving on to the third step, which is the day of the wax. First thing you want to do is warm shower. So the heat from the water will help open up the pores. It also helps relax you. So it also helps with pain management. So I'll spend a few minutes in the shower, maybe 5 to 10 minutes. And I will be using a gentle body wash. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. The fourth step is right before the wax, so lightly apply some numbing cream or ice. I prefer to use the numbing cream. This is one from Comedy. I've tried a lot of different ones out there, and this one works really well for me. It starts working pretty much right away. I'll apply it for 10 minutes and I'll show you how I do it. So I apply it, and then I'll use some plastic wrap to cover it, so I don't want to waste too much of the numbing cream. So I'll put a little bit around the edges. And you don't need a lot. And then I'll just leave it on for 10 minutes. You can also use ice. That will also numb the area. Or, if you want to use a topical anesthetic spray, you can also do that. Step No. 5 is post-wax soothing G. So after the wax, I like to apply a cool compress. This is actually an old school trick that was taught to me by an esthetician many years ago. And this is an easy way to reduce inflammation and reduce any redness from the waxing. So I'll apply this and leave it on for 10 minutes. And now I'm going to share with you some bonus tips. These are especially important for those of us who are 40 and above, because as we age, our skin becomes thinner, and so it becomes more prone to tears. It also becomes more fragile. And as we age, the hair follicles also become more fragile, and they become more easily pulled out prematurely. So you definitely want to avoid that. And also, our hair follicles tend to grow more slowly. So you want to make sure that you have the best prep possible, so that the wax can last longer. So the first tip is to start taking an over-the-counter pain reliever such as Tylenol, Advil, Motrin, something like that about an hour before your wax. Now, if you're someone who's had your wax before and you know exactly where everything is, then you may not need to apply numbing cream. For me, I still prefer to use the numbing cream, because it just makes it more comfortable. The next tip is make sure that you eat before your wax. You want to make sure that you have enough sugar in your bloodstream. This gives you a little boost of energy, and it also helps with pain management. Another tip is to bring a cardigan or a sweater with you. This way you can stay nice and warm while you wait for the wax to set. You won't want to be shivering before your wax, because that can tighten up your muscles and it can make it harder for the wax to grab onto the hair. Another tip is to make sure that you wear loose clothing. So I always bring a sweater and loose pants that I can pull up and down easily. Another tip is choose the right time of the month to get your wax. This is mainly for women who have regular menstrual cycles. Some people say that the week before your period starts is actually the best time to wax because that's when your pain threshold is the highest. And another tip is think happy thoughts. Easier said than done, right? But try to distract yourself and focus on something else. So let me show you the final results. So this is the area that I waxed. This is the Brazilian wax. I gotta tell you, this was the easiest wax that I've had in a long time. I barely felt any pain. I felt a couple little pinpoints, but nothing major. And the reason why I think this was so smooth was because of all the steps that I did beforehand. I mean, look at this, guys, look at that. This is so clean. The hair is all out. There's no cuts, there's no burns, there's no redness. And this is what you call a perfect wax. And if you want to see how I maintain my skin in between my waxes, check out this video right here. But please, 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 please hit the subscribe button because I would love to have you here. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video useful. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.